You ever wanted to be just like instantly smarter?
Image and cut out that image of your head.
What we're showing you here in this beautiful black BMW is what you
So it gives you a very high quality microphone input, so you can get a very accurate. I encourage you to mess around with it.
.5 G is the next generation of wireless services, and it's going to unleash a whole new type of services for our customers and consumers. And we're excited to be here at CES with our T-Mobile Tech Truck to showcase some of those great 5G applications. We are showcasing some great applications for 5G. We have augmented reality here with our Ducati motorcycle that helps showcase how you can interact using augmented reality. So with 5G, we're going to get lower latency with the network, higher bandwidth, greater throughput. And today at CES, we've got some demos that help showcase some of those applications. So whether it's augmented reality, drone operations, again showing the low latency with a game, our Strike-a-Light demo, and how consumers can interact with each other through gaming applications. And with 5G, we can also look at IoT and how we can expand upon IoT applications, whether it's with consumer tracking, smart city as well. So what is low latency? Low latency is really how the network responds and how quickly it responds. So when you are watching a movie, it's great to have great response, but when you're actually interacting with a game, when you have two players that are, say, throwing a ball back and forth to each other, you want to have that real-time response. And we have an application here with some graduate students from the University of Washington that developed an AR game where they're actually playing a fireball game between each other, and they're leveraging the low latency of the 5G network. Additionally, with 5G and the low latency, we can go beyond that and do things such as remote surgery, autonomous vehicles, and drones. You've heard all about those exciting applications. So that's what the future holds for 5G.
5G is important because it's going to bring the next evolution and revolution to the communications that we rely on. Right behind me, we have a demonstration of cloud gaming. Now gamers, they need immediate response time. They don't have that nice response time, somebody else will beat them in the competition or they'll lose on the cloud, whatever. So they need very good response times. Intel is in the 5G market because we believe we have all the pieces to support our customers from the network to the cloud to the client and all the places in between. We're one of the few companies that can provide that capability. Intel wants to power those experiences.
We're here just like every other year coming out with new technologies to show what's going to be coming in 2019. We're here with a big focus on 5G. It's a big year for 5G with all the commercial deployments and devices coming out. In addition, we are here with our automotive demonstrations, IoT, Wi-Fi across the board, all the cool technologies we're rolling out this year. So we have a lot of exciting activity going on 5G. The booth over here is showing streaming live 4K video over an actual 5G network. We're partnered with Verizon to do that. There's equipment installed for that. We're showing in the back how 4G and 5G differ in terms of user experience and speeds. We also have a very cool XR demo where you can have an immersive experience thanks to 5G on the light network as well. So Snapdragon X50 is the first mobile chipset that's enabling 5G, and all the devices you're seeing here today are based on Snapdragon X50 and or Snapdragon 855 mobile platform. So that kind of weaves together all the momentum that's coming with the new devices in 2019 for 5G.
We have our platform called NVIDIA Drive, which enables lots of technologies for autonomous cars for all the way from level 1 to 2 to 3. We have a lot of 5G technologies which enables our cars to talk to each other in terms of vehicle-to-vehicle communications and vehicle-to-infrastructure communications. Altogether, this enables a car to be much more safer and reliable in the long term, to have redundancy across for safety. Technologies like 5G would enable things like remote driving for companies like Uber, which we've shown some examples and demonstrations at our GTC. So wherein a virtual driver could be ported into a car because of the bandwidth and the necessary traffic and data requirements across. It's an enablement technology wherein it actually enables a lot of humans all together with different types of resources. Autonomous cars is just one platform, all the way even things like robotics would actually benefit in big term, where they can communicate in a connected fashion, and we could have what we envision altogether as smart cities or connected cities that talk to each other and communicate all together all across.